A2 hosting heavyweights, one big question: which one really delivers? On the left, A2 hosting, blazing fast and developer-friendly. On the right, GoDaddy, famous for domains and all-in-one convenience. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Alright, here's a quick mind map of exactly what we'll be comparing: price and value, performance and speed, security and backups, features overall, ease of use, and customer support. That way you know where we're headed, and I can keep this from turning into a ramble fest. First up, price and value. Honestly, for most of us this is like the decider, right? So let's check out A2 hosting. It's got a slightly cheaper sign-up cost, and oh, and here's something cool: A2 throws in way more features for your money, plus an anytime money-back guarantee. But kinda weirdly, no free domain at sign-up. GoDaddy though, classic move, they offer a free domain if you pay for a year, but the feature list just doesn't stretch as far. Stuff like basic backups and SSL might cost extra, and yeah, no anytime refund here. So with all that factored in, A2 hosting takes this round if you want real value beyond just the price tag. Moving over to performance and speed. So A2 hosting stands out honestly. SSD storage on every plan, a built-in CDN, and their NVMe and Lightspeed options, chef's kiss. And the average load times, we're talking around 391 milliseconds. GoDaddy, on the other hand, keeps up with decent uptime and has lots of data centers, but the speed, it's usually slower, about 510 ms on average, and they still use plain old HDD storage in some plans. And get this, no integrated CDN. So for anyone who, hates waiting, A2 hosting wins hands down. Next up, security and backups. A2 comes packed with free SSL even for entry plans, daily automated backups except their lowest tier, malware scanning, and a dual firewall setup. Pretty reassuring, right? They skimp a tiny bit on advanced goodies in lower plans, but hey, still solid. GoDaddy provides the basics, yes, but stuff like SSL and backups, you gotta pay extra or upgrade. It's kind of baffling. So if security's big on your list, A2 hosting is your safer bet. Quick pause, did you know that GoDaddy actually hosts over 20 million domain names worldwide? That's wild. But fun fact, if speed's your thing, A2 hosting is basically the speed demon when you put them side by side. Okay, let's talk features. A2 hosting gives you unlimited email accounts, free site migration, cPanel, and even tools to optimize WordPress, pretty developer-friendly like their tagline says. The caveat? No free domain. Now, GoDaddy does have a few perks like site builder add-ons and the GoDaddy Pro dashboard for managing multiple clients, which is a neat touch. But email gets expensive after the first year, and migration isn't just handed to you. So in terms of overall features, especially for serious users, A2 hosting comes out ahead again. Ease of use, or how annoying it is to actually get your site launched. With A2 hosting, it's honestly pretty breezy. Their dashboard is dead simple, the setup makes sense, and it's super beginner-friendly even if some complex tools are locked behind their pricier plans. GoDaddy's dashboard'll feel familiar for most folks, but yup, there's a but. The upsells and add-ons clutter it up a bit, and sometimes it feels like they're just nudging you toward paid services at every click. Despite quirks, they both tie here for overall usability. Customer support, the lifesaver category. A2 hosting brings you chat, tickets, and phone support 24/7, and they're usually quick and really solid when it comes to technical issues. Some minor delays on basic plans, but let's be real, that's pretty normal. GoDaddy also pushes 24/7 chat and phone with a massive knowledge base, but reviews are mixed, especially for the trickier, technical stuff, and advanced support can be a little slow. So yeah, both are good, but neither's perfect, so I'm calling this a decent tie. So, if you line up the scores, A2 hosting pretty much knocks it out of the park for value, speed, security, and features. GoDaddy, it hangs on for domains and a familiar feel, but just can't keep up on the techie stuff. If you're someone who wants max performance, the best features for your buck, and you love having developer options, seriously, A2 hosting is the move. GoDaddy's great if you just need a domain or want everything bundled, but yeah, it falls short in real hosting power and speed. Hey, did you enjoy this comparison? If you love these kind of showdown reviews, stick around, I've got more tech rivalries coming up soon.